Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious hummus wrap, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need large, soft tortillas, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of your favorite hummus, and a selection of fresh, crisp vegetables like cucumber, bell peppers, and lettuce. Don't forget your protein, perhaps 4 ounces of grilled chicken or half a cup of seasoned roasted chickpeas. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now that we have our ingredients, let's begin assembling. Take 1 large tortilla and lay it flat on a clean surface. Next, scoop out about 2 to 3 generous tablespoons of your preferred hummus. Using the back of a spoon or a spatula, spread the hummus evenly across the entire surface of the tortilla. Remember to leave a clear border of approximately 1 inch around the edges. This will help keep all your delicious fillings securely inside when you roll it up. With our hummus base ready, it's time to add the vibrant fillings. Start by arranging your prepared vegetables in a neat line down the center of the tortilla. Think about layering for both texture and visual appeal. Then, add your protein, whether it's 4 ounces of tender grilled chicken or half a cup of savory roasted chickpeas. Place it directly on top of the vegetables. A small sprinkle of fresh herbs, like parsley or cilantro, can elevate the flavors beautifully. Finally, let's master the art of folding to create a perfect portable wrap. Begin by folding in the left and right sides of the tortilla, about 1 inch each over your fillings. This creates a secure pocket. Then, starting from the bottom edge, roll the tortilla tightly upwards, keeping the fillings snug. Once rolled, you can cut the wrap in half diagonally. This not only makes it easier to eat, but also showcases all those wonderful layers inside. Enjoy your homemade hummus wrap.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.